Hey, Garrett Brill here. I know a lot of you have been looking at the Quantix to get a Quantix or to budget for one or what have you. They've been extremely helpful in these tornado strikes, disasters in the Dallas area. We've been flying them and they've just made a huge difference in the capabilities that we have. But today I want to kind of show you something. One thing I really like about what AV is doing is they keep on adding capabilities that are extremely useful for what we do. For those that don't know, and maybe you've never seen one, this is kind of the interface to it. And one of the things that the AV does is as soon as it lands, it generates a quick view. Now, a quick view is generally a low resolution orthomosaic map. And I'll kind of show you. Let me turn off there you go. So now we just have the mapping in there, and you can see that it generated that. Now, just so you know, this is the new public safety building in Richardson, Texas, and we decided to fly a quick mission in it. Flew this thing in under 4 minutes, including takeoff and landing, and then from the time that it landed to the time that I got this quick view was about 5 to 6 seconds. So that's how quick you get an orthomosaic like that. Now, one of the things that a lot of people don't realize is, yes, this is a nice orthomosaic, but it is low resolution. If you start zooming in, you can see that a lot of them are blocked, and it's not exactly what you need to get. Now, here's the beauty of it, though. AV listens very well to the needs, and they respond very well to the needs. And so, what I want to show you is this capability that they added to it that it's just absolutely fantastic, and I can see it making a big difference. So, again, less than 4 minutes to fly this, less than just maybe 3-4 seconds to generate this. But what you can do now, the new feature, is you take the SD card out of the aircraft, pop it into this device, and then you can turn this thing on here. So now we have high resolution feature enabled. Now what I can do is, let's say I want to go over here and I want to, that one. Okay, so you can see it loaded in. What it did, it loaded in a high resolution image. Now I can zoom in, and these are of course patrol units, and I can zoom in and get all the details that I want, including the unit numbers and everything else that I might need. So again, and then if I zoomed out and I needed to maybe load, for whatever reason I wanted to look at the air conditioners on this building, I could take and have it load that, and now I can go in and zoom in and get all the detail that I want from the high resolution imagery. All right, so extremely useful. Thank you very much for listening, AV. Extremely useful new feature. I can see it making a big difference in a whole lot of ways. So anyway, wanted to share. Hope you like this as much as I do, and we'll talk to you later.